Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Strong number for this afternoon. We go talk palava pikin where it die for that side so for Bafang. Waiting kid that pikin. Now the answer will go give now this afternoon. Palava two teacher the way they be catch them lock am for sika say they be they make mash for ask their money last 56 teacher them they don't left them and under big condition them way they take left them. We go talk for now the kind condition the way they left that teacher them. We go tell na to palava for glad where he be there for Elung Polche a house after where they put him like big man for inside presidency. All the one then so plus story them when newspaper them get them. We go bring them this afternoon. Big part talk, editor we say waiting. Say man pikin where he the turn for corner woman. He no talk no nothing. He go only last can carry water for stranger them where they don't come for can marry that woman. As a man pikin where he don't the turn for corner woman. He no talk no nothing. He go last remain can carry na water for stranger them where they don't come for can marry that woman. Prophet Gerald Jensen, now you send with big part up for this afternoon. I the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people. Them we go begin Torina for that side for Bafang. Yes, Bafang na for West region. We go talk palava for some small pikin when na water e kill am. Yes, some small pikin when na water e kill am for that side. So for Bafang country people them make we enter for inside story for this chapter for Bafang for turn say waiting for side so for Bafang na chapter for die. Now waiting kill the pikin. They say na water way e kill that small pikin so for that side so for Bafang. After we mommy don't left the pikin, say make the pikin e go for house. Now population that for that side so for Bafang hospital side people they don't come for can cry after we pikin e come out so they finding her for inside water so for that side so for Bafang now hospital side that one na the taxi am so now hospital side that now for inside this water where they find that pikin con the people them way after way imami we one can wash clothes you see and say rain e be the form. He carry the pikin say make the pikin go house. He no sabi say the pikin he no last reach for house. The only thing na pikin wey don't die. Boys except it dey so it take happen so for inside that chapter so for that small pikin. So con the people them we go surely turn back for that chapter for inside we order to read them. Make we take una go for Nouvelle Route Cité side. E be then a small picking accident. Yes, e be then a small picking accident. Country people them where it happen for side for Nouvelle Route Cité where e be then a moto where be the run for speed. It jam some other small picking way be one crossroads. One time traffic be there, motorway na the same so where people they wrong go enter for there for check wetin they them. Now for the way picking way the motor jam am, it don't put am for inside. Now for carry that picking go for which side for hospital. This picking it be one crossroads. Now for the way one time this other motor na the same so we turn up. It be the run to Rokam. It be one go towards that side so from Dokoti for people there they sabi this small road for Nouvelle Route Cité. It be they go for that side from Dokoti side. Now we one time it jammed that picking. Then the people they haul up, we say it turn up, it come hold the picking. So after we population enter for inside that palavam, now so too they carry that picking, go for hospital. Yes, they carry that picking, go for hospital. No picking, it be get small wound them for his skin, and according to last story we enter for we EM, picking it don't turn back for house, and the picking it dey fine. Inside Douala Yetu yesterday Sunday, it be then other kind for before gendarmerie place so they do motor on the sea so or it tire them they don't box them. Now who box the motor it tire them? Now Okada people then where they box the motor it tire them. After with this motor it make accident where it give wound for some Okada man. Now so to the Okada people they talk say they go kill all man for sika say they be the talk say e dey so the person wey this motor e jam am e be don already die but the person e no die as wey we say we see with we eye the person no die Okada people they be vex, box the tire for motor. Even as we gendarme people they come for day. The worst na time where police people then say they can shoot gun for up. Now for they Okada people they vex, broke the motor, box a glass them. They thought say any man will be there inside the motor. Now people the way they come up for church, now family will come up for church will be there inside the motor. Okada people they sandai say it they so they must to make any man inside that motor here hot. And even as well they carry that motor, bring them for before gendarmerie place for that side, so for Deido as soon as sabi the place fine make una sabi say Okada people they so follow. Now then that for overside roads they so follow for talk say they want see how that motor it go last end for sika say they be don't tie grass. They say they must to follow that motor so they see how they go. Now the Okada this way that motor is jamam, the man will be there on top the Okada country people them it there for military hospital. Now for the way they carry go, but now the Okada that way it the motor jam then it drag the Okada for ground. Now for sika why that way Okada people then say the vex follow the motor so they see how the motor last end. When they bring the motor for that side, so for gendarme place for Deido, Okada people they turn up for overside. They only check all that place where you see how they broke that motor. So now only vex for Okada people they way they no be why moving even any Kamamburu man for corner day. Last they carry the motorway it don't chakara. They take and go now for inside garage for garage side for that side, so from Bopi now for the way they go last left the motor. Now so to Okada people then say they be last remain continue for do their work. We go take una go for Yawende side. Yawende teacher the way they be Kajen Lokam last they don't come up for outside. Yes, now the teacher then that. After where they should done 4 days for Insangata. Last they sign book. They say they respect all commandeer when governor it don't talk. Commandeer number 1. They say that association where they be formed and before they start make the work they no sabi the thing again. Now former big man for college book Jean Enes now say be them inside this Mondonga men and even another condition they give for teacher them. Now say waiting. May they lock their Facebook and WhatsApp account them. Then may they deny to say they know they again for inside that their new association. On top that one too, they talk say they go wait. So take that interministerial people them where they check inside their problem. They come out with solution before they go do anything. Then even big Ndonga men for Palava education when it happen, they go wait see all that one they pass before they submit way it go happen. But just now the teacher the way they be move them or teacher the way they be lock them for Ngata for Sika say they be make mash and for Sika say they be the axe money when governor the owe them. Now then that's why they be the come off from Ngata. After that then say they talk from governor say waiting they no go tron hate. Yes, they no go tron hate and they no go tron hate. Now I mean say they don't lock Facebook, they don't lock WhatsApp account, then they don't talk say they no sabi that association that syndicate where it be they make this mash and they don't talk say they go wait for year wait away interministerial committee where they on top did their palava go talk and the big Ndonga men for a national education we get for happen. So they go wait for year as way that one go pass. Now the condition then that way they take them before they left this teacher them for outside. Now confusion too it be dey small for that side, so for so now for Bamenda. Yes, confusion it be dey for so for Bamenda. Die body on the sea and so now die body for chief a woman. Now one of the picking them he buried that die body for sideway chief it no be one time. And they say that one tradition you know they by force go move that die body. Yes, Kamamburu people they say they be there. Gendarme they be there with the gun. All they be the worker. They say they go commode the die body for Sawe. One of the boy them for chief. He don't bury him, mommy. They come out and say they must to go bury him for Sawe. All chief a woman them they ever bury him. You say no? Now die body they already put them for grab. Where they go dig them again, come out and for outside. Yes, for that side so for so on the people. You see police people they know. Gendarme them too they be there for corner. They be the fallen so that people they no go worry am. So now for inside here, inside the burial ground. Now for here they bury all chief them for so the woman them. Now for here, but one of the picking them deny say they no fit bury am. Now for why that way you go bury am for different side. Then now chief self or from so side, it talks say that one it no fit happen where he still dey alive. Now so they go commode that body come bury and now so na for side wey they bury all women them for fun the way they don't die. Now for that side so for so where this one it happen, people there they know sabi am. Now for side where they call am say northwest. Now Bamenda side way this one it happen inside the weekend. Now so we talk palava votes. We talk palava for votes for inside National Assembly. Yes. Last 26 years we don't enter. Since we cover Yege Jibril, he did like a big man for National Assembly. Inside National Assembly for Saturday, honor them. They also vote cover Yege Jibril. He get 140 people there they vote for a back. Inside 150 where they did inside Parliament. Yes. 140 inside the almost 150 people then. Honorable they they done for inside Parliament. Then 18 people then they no vote. Yes, 18 people they no vote. So cover Yege Jibril now so it don't so remain for chair like a speaker for National Assembly. Now man the way don't she done for chair since 26 years now so we go she done like speaker for National Assembly. And now so 2 years to in the act 76 years pa since 26 years now we they on touch it. Now again they don't vote it. So now number 26 year this where go she done like a big man for National Assembly. For that side for Senate, no nothing to no change. Nyat Masen Jifenji, them to the vote like big man for inside Senate people them. So now SSA go so she done like president for inside Senate people them. Maybe until Senate votes it can pass. Sabi say Senate people them they vote for number 25 day for inside this moon. Now inside this moon where they get for make that Senate vote call the people them forget new man. But National Assembly we already sabi cover Yege Jibril now he go so remain for day. Sabi say Hilarion Etong now he go be assistant man under cover Yege Jibril for National Assembly. So now so we take Siam, now so we see him for inside chapter for politics. Sabi say inside ya when they since for morning time, Oga Prime Minister don't the turn for put new minister the way they give them appoint for chair since for morning time. We go turn back for that story, but for Elum Paul chair he own house for that side so for Tombel, it be then a big lad. Yes. Big glad after where they hear say they don't give a point for their brother, it don't go she don't now so just for corner Nkunkuma sesep. Yes, just for corner Nkunkuma. So Oga Elum Polche as all the talk so inside a house, it be then a big lad. Sabi say just come up for bury papa way he never overstay. And now for inside this same moon for March, where Elum Polche in Mamitu it be die. Now the same moon for March way they give a point for Elum Polche. For that side so for inside presidency. So as well the top it be then a big lot friend them family people them they come for Elum Poche a house for can glad for can talk say thank you for Nkunkuma. Now they demand that way it is so now so ego she done for corner president. Yes, ego she done for corner president. Total glad for all people them. Now family people now come be them all man it be glad for Sika say they don't give a point. Voila. Atom men. So now they glad that for inside Elum Poche house for that side so for Tombel. Now so make we hear wait to some of the family people they talk. The woman we go talk last now Elum Paul Che is sister. Make we hear it talk.
Do plenty things for me. Plenty things they will already do for Tombel. And I know say you get for a heart many more things for do for Tombel people. And not only for Tombel, the whole Kupemba neighborhood. The man way they put people for front before any other thing. Now the more reason that way, when the people know they fine, it will not be fine.
Very happy. Enjoy too much. Papa never forget we and mommy never forget we. Now the month when mommy be die for this match. Now with this really lucky don't cancel my papa Paul chair. With the word development and again with the way the crisis will get them for northwest and southwest so that they will solve the problem. Need peace be for country. I get confiance in my small brother. My man who got and he go do him and the country to go see him. That place over fine when I the very man and I thank President Paul Biya say it only take it begin put and hold.
Yes, so na Elum Poche family people then that Jackie Nomulon it be put in microphone too for a combi for Elum Poche with them said they be there for inside school for one place. Make we hear.
That for be small man for palace than for be big man for gutter. We would think say this appointment it been a very big thing for the community, for Tombel and Kupe Manunguba at large. This man we will know as a developer, it will only bring me better things, and we know say this man he will deliver and he will develop our subdivision as he don't always develop.
Make we dance some more. Yes, make we dance some more with the family some more for that side. Sabi say be then a big appointment for family people them for that side, so for Sikase brother, papa, uncle, and man with the look at all people them Elum Poche, they don't put it for different chair. Make we dance all we. Okay, country, we go remain for insights paravan also for woman them. Woman now for which day? Number 8 day for inside this moon. All woman them, they go come out for Gladia big day. For that side for Penja Corner people them, woman them say they don't already start prepare. Yes. Now woman they don't start prepare their belly. They don't start make sport. You sabi say that day. Now palava for chop, palava for jump. So woman they say for that side for Penja, all them so they join come up for outside. They talk say they get for make sport. They get for start prepare for their big day. So the woman them, police them or all one them they work now with the foot. They say na sport, na big day for sport. Even mommy they say they come up for outside. They say better make they start prepare. One day they no free worker, put them for inside motor like the one, skin over heavy. Yes, all them they don't heavy skin don't heavy, they enter for inside motor. One day they no free work at all, man picking to give them so they had. Yes, on open skin small. All that one they so na job prepare for palava for number 1 day or number 8 day for inside this moon. When a woman them their big day, yes. Now they that way all woman they will come up for outside for glad their big day. So woman them for that side for Penja, they don't already start prepare for their big day where they come for inside number 8 day for inside this moon. One day where they be there inside motor, they come up for outside, can join their combi them. Hey, Reme, very good, very good. Now open food them fine. See Reme for bad tire. Well. Yes, if fine for make sport one time, no now let's say you go come up for outside now only one time. Una do am. Voila. So now woman then that for Penja side, they don't already start prepare for number 8 day for inside this moon. Make we hear them talk.
We prepare this big day fine because woman don't come up plenty today to make that worker from Njombe Penja. Now we don't run, we don't work, we don't sing, we don't dance, we don't chop small sugar, we don't drink small water. But for that headmaster, he will be a strong worker. Defile. Woman for Penja, from Njombe, we go work a sote. After that worker, we will go now, we rest, we chop, we dance.
Prepare with mass for arrondissement for Njombe Penja. A woman for that time, none of that woman against this today. Woman don't change. All things don't change. Woman for today no make again Chris like yesterday. Today any woman don't know your responsibility for your house. And woman for Njombe Penja they respect their massa.
For Wednesday, we will make table round. We make sketch. We make we sensibilize women for them skin. For say woman know how if you hold skin before you cool skin. For say skin no handle skin. Go dance. Graphy one, Yaoundé 1, Bamoun, with the thank you Equinox, Papa. Thank you.
Yes, that for Penja, they don't already start prepare for their phone number 8 day for this moon. Sabi say we own Gondere then woman them for inside Tori house, then said be knocked Ndamba for Saturday. Even as well they be knocked them one not, na so chance for waiting when newspaper then talk. Newspaper wait the time, he try for enter for chabom na way popom, he make he try for terrorist, he don't spoil people Anglophone side with some time plenty Median. So for inside the Median, you go read chapter for the big people the way they fall for inside Kuma column and one the way they so keep them star. So for there you go read Tori way a consign estimate he picking them where they go the way 11 for back. Enter now also for inside another Tori way day outside the paper. Yes, the Star newspaper SESEP a day for a Monday, waiting day for the inside the Star newspaper. Then SESEP they enter for inside this new governor where a popo imekam now one of the strong number than that where the Star newspaper top for tell we say big surprise every day inside the governor people then way popo for inside office. Sabi say this now it be happen for weekend enter so for free. The Star newspaper it gets order for now for enter for inside now so for Sabi website. The guide jam dey for outside corner people. Guide jam post it dey for outside enter straight for inside the week. Now this palam if you read where the guide jam post it talk they say Prime Minister Jacques Famin Dongawe Nkunkuma, he move high on top them. But on plenty point in the day where you read them for talk waiting. The guide them all the chapter them for Palava this new Gomnawe Nkunkuma he make them. They post a day outside to this morning time. They post newspaper today for outside. They tell we say waiting March 2 new Nkuma bring them Nkunkuma according to the get that small place for Atanganji fine position for Palava decentralized. Nalova Pauline Mukake he says they put it for place for secondary education and other people the day way Nkunkuma if it don't be like that combi they move them so they post it gets other one them make we enter for the voice way they for outside the voice newspaper way they for outside the voice it they try for talk say waiting say Nkunkuma old new governor according to the voice newspaper palava for this new governor way Nkunkuma bring them you feel it's order to read them where the voice a carry and but Sabi say most of the to read them for this morning time they turn back for inside the new governor and the people them where Nkunkuma give them appoints for be inside the new minister. The voice it gets order to read them now for you for enter for inside the for Sabi way to read the inside. Last story will go enter for inside the country people the Sun newspaper. Yes, the Sun newspaper say waiting say palava new governor where Nkunkuma bring Nkunkuma it dash all Anglophone people the way they be don't be one more pretty. Yes, Nkunkuma it don't give dash for Anglophone people the way they be talk one more with according to way the Sun newspaper way they for outside this morning time it talk. So for inside the Sun you feel it order to read them where it concern OC the acts now waiting they it be OC Joshua you feel for read them other small to read in the day inside. Now for you people them for newspaper side they write them for country people them now for day we finish this afternoon you way day on top table chop fine bon appetit ambassador go talk with other to read them make fine on a whole tight.